Hi, this is George from Preston Audi, and today I'll be taking you on a walk around this brand new Audi.
Here we have this absolutely sublime Audi SQ7 in top of the range Vorsprung specification with a powerful 4-litre V8 TFSI engine which produces 507 PS alongside the famous quattro 4-wheel drive system and slick automatic Tiptronic gearbox. This SQ7 comes finished in a metallic Mythos black paint finish, whilst the powerful 4-litre V8 engine that I mentioned before allows this to go from 0 to 62 miles per hour in a staggering 4.1 seconds. And this SQ7 also features an optional folding tow bar. Some of the key exterior features include the striking HD Matrix LED headlights, the stunning 22-inch 5V-spoke star design alloy wheels with the optional gloss red brake calipers, the sleek and stylish gloss black window trim, rear privacy glass and the useful black roof rails, whilst finally there's the eye-catching dynamic rear indicators and the power-operated tailgate, which is really easy to use with just a press of a button on your keys, and as you can see it leads to a large and spacious boot with 705 litres of capacity with 5 seats and still an impressive 295 litres with all 7 seats, and the rear 2 seats as well as the tow bar couldn't be easier to fold up and down as they're electrically adjustable with just a press of a button. And here we have the rear interior of the car with the rear seats finished in a gorgeous black Velcona leather, and these seats are comfortable and supportive and the outer seats are heated, whilst there's ISOFIX child seat mounting points as well as a foldable armrest. Meanwhile, the touch controls for the rear 2 zones of the 4-zone climate control as well as the USB Type-C ports are other key features too. Here we have the even more impressive front interior with the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel which is heated, alongside the polished oak with grey finish inlays which help to really refine the look of this interior, which is bathed in natural light thanks to the panoramic glass sunroof. And there's the gorgeous front Super Sport seats, which feature electrical adjustability with memory function, as well as a massage function and 4-way lumbar support. And one of the key interior features of this SQ7 is the Audi Virtual Cockpit Plus display, where you can access useful displays such as the satellite navigation of an onboard computer right ahead of you. Complementing that is the 10.1-inch high-resolution touchscreen display, where you can access all the usual features you'd expect in a car of this calibre, including the satellite navigation, the DAB digital radio, the external media connectivity, as well as telephone connectivity, whilst there's the Audi smartphone interface, so you can connect your phone via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto wirelessly, and there's the Audi Drive Select menu, so you can choose your favourite driving profile and even adjust the ride height of the vehicle thanks to the adaptive air suspension, whilst the LED interior lighting pack lets you choose the ambient lighting, colour and brightness of your preference, and with just a press of a button, the 360-degree parking cameras and park assist come up on demand. This stunning interior also boasts touchscreen controls for the 4-zone climate control, as well as the heated and ventilated front seats, whilst in the centre console there's the slick Tiptronic gear shifter, a couple of hidden cup holders, and underneath the central armrest there's plenty of storage too, whilst the Bang & Olufsen sound system provides a refined listening experience, and the various driver assists including Audi Side Assist, Presense Basic, Presense Rear, as well as the adaptive cruise control shown here make every journey as effortless and safe as possible.
This brand new Audi comes with 3 years warranty and 3 years roadside assistance, and for more information or to book a test drive, please contact us online or call us on 01772 911 340.